Mabuhay! I'm Bener Malabanan V from HM6B. After reviewing our modules, one thing is clear. Diversity is no longer an option in hospitality. It is a competitive necessity. As we define diversity through 4 layers, ranging from our internal traits like race and age to external factors like education and religion. In our industry, this creates a workforce where different generations must collaborate. The benefits are measurable. Diverse teams are 19% more innovative and nearly 40% more likely to outperform their competitors financially. But beyond these numbers, diversity reduces prejudice and fosters a global mindset. However, diversity works if we have the right corporate, whether it's the family like clan culture or it's the structured hierarchy culture. The goal is to bridge the leaders like Rate, Rates Carlton, and that when we prioritize employee well-being and inclusion, we naturally provide better service. In the end, diversity is about differences that make us unique, but in inclusion is about making those differences work together as future hospitality professionals. Our job is to ensure every layer of a person is valued. Thank you.